Come on, Max. Come here, Max. This is Max. Hi, Max. He just had a bath. Today's bath day. Today's bath day. Yes. And he is a good bath taker. Look at there. Look, Max. Max. That's his kennel name. But we like it. He's following Grandpa. Come on, Max. He's got a light green collar. There's 12 of them, so there's dark green too. But that's Rex. Run, Max. Max. Come on. Come on. He's going to be probably a little long hair, because Mom tends to have long hair in her genes, and some of her puppies come out kind of long hair. You can usually tell by their fluffiness. Can't guarantee it, but chances are he's going to be a little long hair. Not real long, but he's going to have probably some long hair. Because we have a few of them. They're nice and fluffy. Come here, Max. Come here, Max. Max. Come here, sweet boy. He's a great bath taker. Great bath taker. Not that he loves it, but he's actually really good. Max, can I take some still pictures of you? You gonna let us take some still pictures of you? He's behind me. He's got Grandpa's socks. He took his shoes off and then he's playing with the shoes. Very fun, active, loves to give kisses. Pretty calm and mellow when he wants to be. But he's still a puppy. They're still forming their little personalities. But he is awesome. The boys actually came out pretty mellow. The girls, they're a little tougher. Shaq, I hope this isn't cloudy. Or, yeah, let me see. See, very, very active. And Max, oh, let him sit down, so keep him calm, so I can get some, I'm going to try to take some still pictures. So you can see his beautiful face.